Don't do no talking with the chopper stalk, I'm not gon' say I'm wrong. This glizzy break a bone. Don't beef on social sites, nigga get it mixed up on a hoe. Told them they make a carbon rifle, clear the business, get them gone. Been waiting for too long to stalk a nigga out. Better hush your fucking mouth. Bitch, I run them down, glizzy whole 30 with 2 extra rounds. Say I'm the one they wanna be, but you gon' forever be a clown. 7 shots go through his dome, a 43 gon' get him gone. Like bitch, you know I stand on business, bout that action. Catch you lacking, get the clapping with this photo. Watch I work my magic, all in traffic with this break up bone. Stand on business when you see me hit the car, gon' take a soul. Don't hold your neck, gon' be the next one to get flipped. I told tag a bitch and open firing up this bitch from hip. Niggas claim they SOB, but must ain't know I'm really him. No, I'm the one gon' take a 3 right from the cone and hit your lip. All you bitches nigga be bound to get flipped, say I'm really living. Put your chain up off your neck, ain't really you. This shit get serious. Wake a bitch with this new diamond, back then throw back me a pill. 223, no you can't hide from that. Who set them shots and curious? Bitch, I'm furious, nah for real. Don't do no talking with this chopper stalk, I'm out gon' sound wrong. This glizzy break a bone. Don't beef on social sites, nigga get at me tough on the hoe. So don't they make a carbon rifle, clear the business, get them gone. I'm mixing out all rest, all 2024. Go score me some, and score some more. Your dog ain't finna come and slap for you, cause bitch I'm at your throat. Goodbye, will he really die for you? That's something you should know. Cut all my feelings, cut my phone off, don't even want answer the door. If bitch I'm bad, like bitch I'm yeah. Say if you let gon' do him bad. Ain't no rapping if you ready. I'm the one gon' leave a nigga in his dish next to his dad. Go to your grave and take a piss, I'm really like that, I done smashed up a bitch with this 2-3, got bullets ripping through his body. Send the dick right by the bitch who eating dick all in the eye. They little bitch let me talk my shit, got shit to say, it ain't no problem. At your neck, I'm at your reach, gon' bend the block, shoot up behind. Don't care why you talking about them bodies. Ask myself if they really be riding. Grab a bitch, get faced up in this shit, gon' clear the business on my mind. I done hit too many licks to feel this bitch gon' blow my rocket. On location with a 60, can't get at you cause you hide it. When the fuck you niggas got like they take this bullet, you can't fight back.